If you've received a call about KYC updates or won a lottery you never entered, scammers are already targeting you. Here's how to fight back. As a former police officer, I witnessed firsthand how scammers prey on our trust, costing thousands their life savings. But knowledge is your strongest weapon. Today, I'll arm you with the top 5 ways to spot scams before they strike. These aren't just tips, they're your shield against financial devastation. India's scam industry is a multi-thousand crore business. These criminals are organized, smart, and constantly evolving their tactics. But they all share common patterns that once you know them make them transparent. First, the fake authority trap. Scammers impersonate banks, police, or government agencies, creating urgency and fear to make you act without thinking. Spot it instantly. Real agencies never ask for passwords, PINs, or OTPs over the phone. If they do, it's a criminal. Their language is key. Phrases like immediate action required or account blocked in 24 hours. This triggers panic, bypassing logic. Legitimate organizations follow procedures. Official letters, time to respond, no threats. When in doubt, hang up and call the official number from their website or bank statement. Golden rule. Urgency is the scammer's weapon. Artificial pressure always signals fraud. Scam 2. Lottery and prize deception. You're told you won a lottery you never entered or a prize from an unknown company. Reality. You can't win a lottery you didn't enter. Scammers demand fees or taxes for your winnings. If asked to pay for winnings, it's a scam. Legitimate prizes require no payment. Red flags. International lottery wins, foreign prizes, poor grammar, or any advance payment request. Classic fraud. Don't let greed cloud judgment. Families lose savings. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Romance and relationship fraud. Scammers create fake online profiles, build emotional connections, then ask for money. These manipulators study your vulnerabilities, crafting personas like doctors abroad or military personnel. Never send money to someone met online. Real relationships don't start with financial requests. Be suspicious if they avoid video calls, meeting in person, or photos look too professional. Verify identity with reverse image searches. Scammers steal photos. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, investigate. Protect your heart and wallet. The 4th scam targets your desire for financial growth. Fake investment opportunities promising quick riches. Legitimate investments carry risks and guaranteed returns don't exist. Anyone promising fixed monthly profits is lying. Honest advisors disclose risks. Warning signs. Pressure to invest, guaranteed profits, remote access requests, or unregistered companies. Before investing, verify company registration, track record, and advisor credentials. Never give remote access. Protect your money. Don't let quick wealth promises lead to ruin. The 5th common scam. Fake technical support. Scammers call claiming your computer has viruses, compromised internet, or expired software. They use technical jargon, even mentioning your ISP or common software like Windows to sound convincing. Crucially, Microsoft, Google, Apple, and other tech companies never call you unsolicited about device problems or viruses. Never give remote access. They'll steal info, install malware, or access your banking. If concerned, contact official support directly. Don't trust numbers from these callers. Know the enemy? Here's your defense strategy. First, always verify independently. Suspicious bank call? Hang up and call your bank directly. Second, never share sensitive info over unsolicited calls. Guard bank details, OTPs, passwords. Your financial life depends on it. Third, trust your instincts. If it feels wrong, it is. Don't let politeness or embarrassment override your gut. Fourth, educate your family, especially elderly parents and young adults. This knowledge is vital. Finally, report scams immediately. Call Cybercrime Helpline 1930, your bank and authorities. Your report helps save others. Staying safe isn't paranoia, it's preparation. Protect yourself and loved ones. Befikilant. Don't let criminals steal your hard work. Your safety is in your hands. Make wise choices.